So I've got the finished 3D printed remote control holder with the clamp, which is a little bit flimsy, but it should still work. So now I just need to put these threaded insert in. Just with a soldering gun. I've made them maybe a bit too small. Just heat it up and it should go in. So I have test fitted it and it seems to be just about going to clamp on the frame. So it's possible it's going to work without any adjustments. I'll just adjust them in a bit when I've got two hands free. Seems to want to come out with it. That'll be enough. So I'll be able to bolt these on like this. So I'm back in the project quickly because this clamp is okay, but it's not quite clamping. It's not quite clamping down. I need to make it slightly less height so it's got a chance of clamping down with the bolts. And another thing, I haven't got any, I've got 16mm M4 so really they're not, I don't think they're going to be enough. Not going to be enough bite in the threaded insert, and I don't think there's quite enough space. So I'm just going to see if I can increase this thickness. Just extrude it. A bit more. And also the holes are not big enough for the M4 screws. So I'm wondering what these actually are. Yeah, they're 3.8. 4.02, so they should really fit, but they're not quite fitting enough. So I just need to make these probably the same size as the threaded insert hole, which was a bit narrow for the threaded insert. So 1.18. They should allow the bolt, the M4 bolt, to go in now a bit easier. So this print doesn't take long. So another thing I think I need to do is just thicken up this. This is a bit weak. Make it double the thickness. I need to make this a bit thicker. I don't need to make it, I don't want it to hit against the bolts, the M4 Allen key bolts. So just ever so slightly. See if I can do the scale. No, that's not. Let's kind of go in. That might be okay. Bolster it up a little bit. Now I see that I've got some missing edges, missing faces. That's got faces, but that hasn't. I might just export it into Bamboo Labs and see what it does. So let's save this. There's another version. Get rid of that. Bamboo Labs may fix that instead of me having to go through it. RC clamp, can't remember what I called it. Where did that go? 3D printing, yeah. Let's try Bamboo Studio, see if that can fix the missing faces. It's very messy, but this is just like a bit of messing around. RC clamp. Yeah, see there's missing faces. Let's see if it can fix it. Yep, it's fixed it. So that's a bit thicker. It's got more depth to it, so the M4 bolts are gonna have enough room, and they're gonna have enough room to actually get through the hole. I could just drill it out easily with an M4 drill bit. So the flattest edge is here, so I do believe I need to drop it down slightly. Slice. That's good enough. It should be a bit stronger. The M4 bolts are going to fit, and I test fitted it and with the original, and it's looking pretty good. I just needed a bit more clamping force, so I shortened this length. So I'm going to print this and see what it's like tomorrow. So I've managed to fit it actually using the original clamp, because that's the second one I did, it was too much depth, and the 16mm M4 wouldn't fit, so that was too much. So, but this seems pretty sturdy. It's clamped in. Just need to fit the controller, which I know does fit. So there's the controller fixed onto the 3D printed clamp. It's very sturdy. Gonna see what it's like cycling along. So I'm going along some rough ground now. Seems totally okay. Just the phone holder's moving, but the remote control is perfectly stable. So this took several attempts with active track on the Mavic. The first attempt, it wasn't following me. It was just POI, point of interest. But I went back again and I realised I was doing it incorrectly. I was targeting correctly but was not clicking go, and it only follows when you click go. So very slowly to start with. It's not an ideal area really with all the trees, but it was pretty clear on one side. It definitely is working okay. So through the clips, gradually I get a bit more confident, and possibly another day I'll go a little bit more, gain a bit more confidence, and hopefully get some interesting shots.